Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can send voice notes using the Discord app. So select the chat that you want to send the voice message to, and as you can see there is a microphone button on the bottom left corner of your screen, and you're just going to select it to record. You can even lock it so that you don't have to keep pressing it, and just press the send message to send the voice note to your friend like this. You can also cancel it here, or if you're already recording and you don't want to send it, just press the trash bin button here to delete your voice note. And that is really it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!